Hi guys, tonight for homework I'm wanting you to get to know some of the characters that are in Greek mythology that will help us better understand our story that we are reading this week. So you're going to get some background knowledge of what happened before our story according to Greek mythology. So first we have a character named Theseus. Theseus was a Greek hero in Greek mythology who was very strong, courageous, wise, and intelligent. Very, very smart man. He was known as the great hero of Athens because he slayed the Minotaur, which I will get into in just a little bit to introduce you to that character. And he became recognized as the heir of the kingdom of Athens. Then we have King Minos. King Minos was the king of Crete, who was also the son of Zeus. This guy wasn't looked at the same way that Theseus was. He was powerful, vengeful, and sometimes quite childish. He liked to get back at people. He is known for creating the successful code of laws and his role in the myth of Theseus and the Minotaur. So he plays a big part in that. And the Minotaur was a monster that was half bull and half man, which I'm going to talk about him next. So one day, King Minos' son was killed while fighting a bull. So out of anger, he decided that 14 young people a year must be sent to Crete, his kingdom, to be sacrificed to the Minotaur. Now, the Minotaur was a man that was half man and half bull. He was known as a monster in Greek mythology. He lived in a labyrinth, which is a difficult maze, which got bigger under the courtship of King Minos. See, King Minos had asked a guy named Daedalus to build this maze for the beast and for him to be able to attack those 14 young people to come into each year. So Daedalus was a very well-known architect at the time. He was known for sacrificing young people, and that's an example of the labyrinth that Daedalus built for King Minos. Very, very difficult maze that kept changing. So Theseus volunteered one day to go kill the monster. He volunteered one day to go kill the Minotaur. When Theseus arrived in Crete, Ariadne, the daughter of King Minos, fell in love with Theseus. And she offered him a sword and a ball of yarn. Now, I know a lot of y'all are probably thinking right now, Miss Prey, what does a sword and a ball of yarn, what is that really going to do up against this monster? Well, let's see. So she told Theseus to tie the thread near the entrance and unroll the ball of yarn as he went through the labyrinth so that he would find his way back out. So he used it as a way to guide him back to the entrance. So he did just that. And Theseus managed to kill the Minotaur and then found his way out of the labyrinth. This, of course, greatly angered King Minos. And instead of being mad at Theseus, he became extremely mad with the man who built it. And who built the labyrinth? Well, that would be Daedalus. And Daedalus built this labyrinth because he was the architect. And this brings us to our story called The Flight of Icarus. I can't wait to read it with you guys tomorrow. Look forward to seeing you.